I myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. We just recently had a tree come down on my property right on the line. If you take a look, and it fell into the brook and into the wooded area. A little unexpected, so we got some cleanup to do, but we're going to get to that. Right now we're using the MS-180C just to kind of start cutting up the tips, and then we'll break out the 661 to cut up some of the rest of the stuff. But don't forget using my 3M headphones with music, so I'm listening to music. I'll put a link in the comments. I also have my gloves. I'll put a link for my gloves in the comments. Don't forget to steel toe boots. Very, very important. So we're gonna get started. So worried about the weight of these things that I was trying to be cautious, and I myself. And cut it from the back side. All right, guys, we're back at it. We had to reposition. Getting pretty dangerous cutting above my head. So I'm back on the side where it fell from the tree. It snapped, landed on my wood, and now I'm just trying to cut it up strategically without causing any other problems or getting hurt. So that's what I'm trying to do. And it looks like there was about 3 trees or 4 trees that came down. One fell and 3 other came down with it. I didn't like that. Just cutting that a little bit, it moved about 4 inches, the whole thing. I didn't like that. Do not walk underneath this. I'm gonna quickly go that way and try to see what I can look at from the other side. Don't follow me, okay? Yep. right, guys, I think that's a break for right now. A little bit out of breath, got to take a break, get right back to it. But still quite a bit to cut up. Just trying to be smart about it, being strategic so nothing falls on me or anything. But all right, don't forget, hard work feels good. Don't forget to hit the like button. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe. You know, it helps me bring more videos to you. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think, what you think I could do better, etc. All right, till next time. See you guys.